Hello students, today I am going to teach the textual exercise of chapter number 2, A Lost Button from English Junction. So let's understand exercise number B. Complete this table. Here you can see the place and here you can see the type of button. By this table you can able to learn the chapter well. So let's understand. First one, filled. We all know that toad and frog both are good friends. They went for a long walk, and when they went for a long walk, Toad lost his button of his jacket. He became sad. So Frog told him that we will search his button. So once again we will went back to the field, to the woods and by the river. At that time they found so many buttons. So here we can see first one they went to the field. At that time which type of button they found? Black button, but the real button was white. Then at that time they met with Sparrow. Sparrow found button with 2 holes, but actual button was 4 holes. Here you can see the third place, woods. Woods means jungle. Okay. At that time in the woods, Frog found small button, but it was not his button. The real button was big. Last, in the river, they found thin button, but the actual button was thick. So now describe the button that Toad was looking for. Toad was looking for a white 4-holed big thick button. टोड का बटन कैसा था? White 4-holed big or thick button. Now we will understand exercise of grammar. Here, before I start this exercise, I want to teach you about countable and uncountable noun. First of all, I want to tell you that there are so many types of noun, but here you have to learn about countable and uncountable. First of all, what is countable noun? Countable nouns means noun which we can count. For example, here you can see button. We can count 1 button, 2 buttons, 3 buttons and so on. Towns, owl and tailor. We can make plural of buttons, towns, owls and tailors. We can use a or an before them. If it is singular, we can keep a or an article before countable noun. Why? Because it is countable. Okay. But uncountable noun, we cannot count. That is why it is called uncountable noun. For example, money. Can you count money? No. So, money is an uncountable noun. We cannot say monies, right? It is wrong. Uncountable nouns have plurals. We cannot use a or an before them. Okay. Uncountable nouns do not have plurals, यानी उसका प्लूरल नहीं हो सकता. दूसरी चीज क्या याद रखनी है कि अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के पहले ए या एन आर्टिकल नहीं आता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मिल्क. कैन यू काउंट मिल्क? अ मिल्क, 2 milks, 3 milks? No. Or milk? No. This is wrong. For example, rice. 1 rice, 2 rices, 3 rices. Can you count rice? No. So, rice, milk, tea, water, wind, time, All are uncountable noun. So now let's understand the exercise of countable as well as uncountable. If it is countable, you will write C. If it is uncountable, you will write UC. First one, the milk is hot. Can we count milk? No. That is the reason it is uncountable. The hens are in the kitchen. Can you count hens? Yes. One hen, two hens, three hens. So this is right. This is correct. That is the reason countable noun. My book is in the bag. Can you count book? Yes. So what you will write here? Countable means C. That is Jim's food. Can you count food? No. Can we count one food, two foods, three foods like that? No. That is the reason it is uncountable noun. I don't like apples. Can you count apples? Yes, we can count apples. That is why it is countable noun. Let's understand the other exercise of countable as well as uncountable noun. Take the correct sentences and cross the incorrect one. She wants a cup of tea. यहाँ पे आपको एक प्रश्न ज़रूर दिमाग में आएगा कि मैम ये कैसे सही है. आपने बोला था कि भी टी है वो लिक्विड है और टी है वो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है, तो फिर ये कैसे सही हुआ. येस माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, यू आर राइट कि टी इज अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. We cannot count tea, but yes, we can count a cup of tea. We can say that I drink a glass of milk. You can count glass. You can count cup. That is the reason here we can see a article. Okay, so a cup of tea is right. He wants a time to think. Can you count time? No. And here also we cannot count. That is why we can't put a article here. It is wrong. So the sentence is wrong. Our village did not get a rain last year. Can you count rain? One rain, two rains, three rains. No. We cannot keep a article here. This is wrong. That is why the sentence is incorrect. Madhu has asked me to wait for an hour. One thing I want to tell you that so many students and so many people I have found जो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, अवर बोलते हैं. This is wrong pronunciation. What you will call? R. Madhu has asked me to wait for an hour. We can count R. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So this is right. Fifth one. I have a news to tell you. We cannot count news. So this is wrong. We can't put a article before news. So this is wrong. And sometimes we make mistake. Which type of mistake we make? Let's see. Often we make a mistake and think that hair is a countable noun. In English, hair is uncountable. I like my long hairs. This is wrong. So how we have to speak? I like my long hair. This is right. Even we can say like that, there is a strand of hair on your blouse. Many strands of my mother's hair are white. We can say like this, but we cannot count hair. Okay. Now, before I start this exercise, I want to tell you something about describing word, because this exercise is about describing word. Now you will have a question, ma'am. What is describing word? We don't know. Describing words means which describes noun. For example, teacher. Teacher is a noun. Good teacher. कैसे टीचर है? Good teacher. So good is a describing word. If I say students, students are noun, you all know. But if I say you all are clever students और आप सब हो भी, तो क्लेवर क्या हुआ? वो स्टूडेंट्स को डिस्क्राइब किया. दैट इज वाई क्लेवर है वो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड है. हियर यू कैन सी लॉन्ग वॉक. वॉक है वो नाउन है. वॉक है कैसी वॉक? लॉन्ग वॉक. बटन, बटन इज नाउन. विच टाइप ऑफ बटन? ब्लैक बटन. जैकेट, विच टाइप ऑफ जैकेट? ब्यूटिफुल जैकेट. सो इवन आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू अबाउट डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. जैसे आपको भी मम्मी पापा घर पे दूसरे नाम से बुलाते हैं ना, डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड को हम एडजेक्टिव बोलते हैं. एडजेक्टिव मीन्स इट गिव्स मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट नाउन. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि वॉक तो लॉन्ग वॉक, बटन ब्लैक बटन, जैकेट ब्यूटिफुल जैकेट, लाइक दैट. So these long, black and beautiful, these all are describing words, or you can say adjective words. Now let's understand this exercise. Complete these sentences with describing words from the box. Look at the picture for clues. Here you can see one blue box is here, right? So here you can please read out loudly. Yellow, dark, strange, red, long, thin. Even here you can see one picture. One boy is sleeping in his room. Let's check what happened. This boy's name is Himesh. Himesh decided to sleep alone in his room one night. It was a dark room with no light. Himesh was frightened of the dark. He could not sleep. He heard a lot of strange sound. Which type of sound? Strange sound. See here, room. Which type of room? Dark room. So room is noun. Dark is, what is dark? Who will tell me? Dark is describing word. Very good students. Sound. Which type of sounds? Strange sounds. So strange is describing word. He saw something that looked like a white ghost. His ghost had red eyes and yellow teeth. Here you can see one ghost is here. You can see in this picture. Eyes are red and the teeth are yellow. Even hands are long and thin. Himesh closed his eyes quickly. The next morning, Himesh's father told him that the ghost was their neighbor's white cat. Actually, वो क्या था? कोई ghost नहीं था. क्या थी फिर? वो बिल्ली थी. वो भी किसकी? उसके नेबर की. तो आपको यहाँ पे कितने सारे डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड मिले. देखो बच्चों, रूम कैसा रूम है? डार्क रूम. साउंड कैसा साउंड है? स्ट्रेंज साउंड. घोस्ट वाइट घोस्ट. आईज रेड आईज. टीथ येलो टीथ. हैंड्स long and thin. Okay, so these all are describing word. Now we will learn about punctuation. Listen children, punctuation plays very important role in English. Now you will ask me, ma'am, why? If you don't know where to put comma, where to put question mark, where to put full stop, the meaning will be changed. That is the reason it is very, very important to learn punctuation. But before I start this exercise, I want to tell you about sentence. Actually, there are so many types of sentences you will learn. But here you have to learn two types of sentences. One is assertive and the second one is interrogative. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what is assertive sentence? We don't know. Okay, let me tell you. Assertive means which always starts with noun or pronoun. अभी भी समझ में नहीं आया ना? Okay, no problem. Let me explain. For example, if I say Sejal ma'am is your English teacher. So here you can see one sentence. You understand what I want to tell you? Okay. Sejal ma'am is your English teacher. Who is your English teacher? Sejal ma'am. So Sejal ma'am क्या है? It is a noun. It is the name of a person, right? बट अगर मुझे ये सेंटेंस में मेरा नाम यूज नहीं करना है तो मैं क्या यूज करूंगी? प्रोनाउन, राइट? मैं क्या बोल सकती हूँ? आई एम योर इंग्लिश टीचर. सो व्हाट इन दिस सेंटेंस व्हाट आई यूज्ड? आई. सो आई क्या है? प्रोनाउन. तो जब भी सेंटेंस या तो नाम से शुरू हो या तो प्रोनाउन से शुरू हो, वो दोनों असर्टिव सेंटेंस है. और असर्टिव सेंटेंस हमेशा फुल स्टॉप से खत्म होता है. ओके. नाउ सेकंड सेंटेंस के बारे में हम जानेंगे, जो है कि इंट्रोगेटिव. इंट्रोगेटिव इट्स अ टफ वर्ड फॉर यू. आप ऐसे समझ सकते हो कि वो क्वेश्चन वर्ड है, वो क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस है. इट आस्क्स अ क्वेश्चंस एंड एंड्स विथ अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. तो आप बोलोगी मैम तो फिर वो शुरू कैसे होता है? जैसे आपने बोला कि असर्टिव सेंटेंस या तो नाउन या तो प्रोनाउन से शुरू होता है, तो क्वेश्चन मार्क यानी कि इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस कैसे स्टार्ट होता है? सो लेट मी टेल यू माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, जो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस है वो समटाइम्स डू, डज, डिड, एम इज, आर, वॉज, वर और समटाइम्स WH वर्ड से भी स्टार्ट होता है. अब आप पूछोगे मैम WH वर्ड्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वू, वर, वू, वेर, वॉट, विच, हाउ मेनी, how much, how. These all are called WH words. Now let's check the exercise so you can understand the punctuation as well as the assertive and interrogative sentence. I have a pet rabbit. First here please see, ये जो सेंटेंस है उसकी शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई? आई. आई क्या है? प्रोनाउन. और प्रोनाउंस या नाउन से स्टार्ट होता है तो वो कौन से टाइप का सेंटेंस हुआ? वेरी गुड, असर्टिव. तो असर्टिव सेंटेंस हमेशा एंड कहाँ पे होता है उसका? फुल स्टॉप से. डू यू नो हिज नेम? यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं ये जो सेंटेंस है वो कैसे शुरुआत होती है? डू से. डू मीन्स इंट्रोगेटिव वर्ड. इट आस्क्स अ क्वेश्चन. So it ends with a question mark. Now third one, his name is Sports. Here his क्या है? Pronoun. So ये जो है pronoun है, it means it is assertive sentence. So assertive sentence ends with a full stop. Do you know why I named him Sports? It asks a question and you can see it starts with do. That is the reason we put question mark here. It is because he is white with some brown spot on him. It क्या है? Who will tell me? Very good. It is a pronoun. So ends with a question mark. Do you know where he lives? Do क्या है? Yes, very good students. It is a question mark or it asks a question. So it ends with a question mark and it starts with do. He lives in my garden. He क्या है? He है pronoun है. So it is an assertive sentence. It always ends with full stop. He loves his home. Which type of sentence it is? Very good. Now you understand. He means pronoun. So it is an assertive sentence. So always ends with full stop. Now the last exercise you can see, that is your writing part. And I want to tell you something, that by this flow chart you will understand the story well. So let's check it out. Complete this flow chart. Toad returned from a walk with Frog. and saw that a button from his jacket was missing. जैसे कि हमने स्टोरी बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ी है और मैंने काफ़ी बार रिवाइज भी किया है कि टोड एंड फ्रॉग दोनों एक अच्छे दोस्त हैं। दोनों कहाँ पे गए थे? लॉन्ग वॉक पे, जहाँ पे वो टॉल ग्रास में गए, जंगल में गए, नदी के किनारे टहलने गए। और जब वो वापस घर पे आए तो टोड ने देखा कि उसका जैकेट से एक बटन क्या था? मिसिंग। टोड गुस्से में हो गया, टोड सैड हो गया। अब फ्रॉग तो उसका अच्छा फ्रेंड था, उसको उसे हैप्पी करना था। सो दे बोथ डिसाइडेड टू लुक फॉर द बटन एंड वेंट एवरीवेयर दे हैड वॉक्ड बिफोर। हम ऐसा ही करते हैं ना, जब कोई भी चीज़ खो जाती है हम क्या करते हैं? वापिस वो जगह, जो जगह हम गए होते हैं, हम वापिस जाते हैं और वही जगह पर हम ढूंढते हैं। दे डिड एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट। They decided to look for the button and went everywhere they had walked before. They looked in many places. Toad collected many buttons but could not find his own button. देखो बच्चों, रास्ते में उसको कितने सारे बटन मिले। जैसे कि हमें पता है कि टॉल ग्रास में ब्लैक कलर का मिला, फिर स्पैरो आई, उसने उसको टू होल्स वाला यानी कि 2 छेद वाला बटन दिया। फिर वो जंगल में गए, वहाँ पे उसको स्मॉल बटन मिला। फिर नदी के किनारे गए और कीचड़ के पास उसको थीन बटन मिला, बट एक्चुअल बटन नहीं मिला। इसलिए टोड क्या हो गया? गुस्से में आ गया। टोड बिकम एंग्री एंड वेंट होम। देयर ही फाउंड हिज बटन। बट क्या हुआ? हम सबको पता है, वो कहावत मैंने बोली थी ना, बगल में छोरा और शहर में टिंडोरा। बटन कहाँ पे था? उसके घर में, और वो ढूंढ रहे थे बाहर। उसे एहसास हुआ कि मैंने फ्रॉग को कितना परेशान किया एक छोटे से बटन की वजह से। अब उसको अपने फ्रेंड की हेल्प करनी थी, उसको थैंक यू बोलना था। तो फिर टॉड ने क्या किया? टोड स्यूड all the buttons he had found on his jacket. Then he gave the jacket to frog. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि उसको जितने भी बटन्स मिले वो उसने क्या किया था? वो सारे बटन्स उसको उसने पॉकेट में डाल दिए थे और फिर उसने क्या किया? ग्रीन कलर का जो जैकेट था उसके ऊपर अच्छे से फिक्स करके नेक्स्ट डे ही गेव द जैकेट टू फ्रॉग। फ्रॉग लास्ट में कैसा हुआ? बहुत हैप्पी हुआ। तो इसी को ही बोलते हैं ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप। ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप। नाउ प्लीज लर्न ऑल द टेक्सचुअल एक्सरसाइज वेरी प्रॉपरली। आई होप you all are fine. Please stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.